It's your favorite mom, Stacy and
Portia.
And we have another unboxing video from Nana Boss. We've been so excited. This came all the ways from China. So let's get into it, shall we? We're going to
cut it open.
Cut
bro. Ooh, let's do it together. It smells good.
It smells good. Nana Boss. We got some papers here.
Oh, sorry, chat. Free gift.
We got a free gift.
Oh, I want that. It's mine. No, it's mine. Oh.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
And all right, so first off, we've got our Louis Vuitton
keychain. It's a little
cool.
I love a little bag.
Next up, we've got a Louis Vuitton
So what's
purse.
That's so cute. Slay.
Next up, we have another Louis Vuitton wallet.
Everything here is like almost Louis Vuitton. Yes. Sly.
And then we have a Louis Vuitton bag.
Mine.
And another Louis Vuitton wallet.
It's so awesome.
Thanks for tuning in, boys and girls.
Yep.
Love you.
Bye.